Hello, my name is Kike. I'm a registered nurse and nurse educator here in Canada. In today's video, I'll be doing a tutorial on how to create your online account with the NNAS. So if you're an internationally educated nurse and would like to practice here in Canada, be sure to watch this video to the end. If you have any questions about the NNAS, watch my previous video where I answered frequently asked questions about the NNAS. If you have more questions, leave a comment below and I'll be glad to take your questions. Let's jump right into the video. To begin your NNAS application, you want to go to your browser and type in nnas.ca, enter. If you're a new applicant, I would highly recommend that you read the Before You Apply section and the application process as well. And if you'd like to know more about nursing in Canada, feel free to read Discover Nursing in Canada. Head over to the Apply and Login tab. Go to Create an Account. You have to register with an email address. So put in an email address that you have access to and you can access at any time. And you would need to answer 3 security questions just to verify your account, okay? So you have 2 options here. What is your place of birth? What is your favorite vacation spot? So put anyone that you like. Make sure you can remember those answers, right? Or you can take a photo so that you don't forget. Okay, what was the name of your first school? I will go with that. And then, in what city does your nearest sibling live? So you have 3 options here. So pick the one that you can easily remember the answer to, okay? So I'll go with, in what city does your nearest sibling live? There we go. And you have the terms and conditions here, okay? So take your time to read those. And if you agree, you can click here to accept, and then you click the red button. An email has been sent to the address that you're using for your NNAS account. So the email you just put in now, you want to go to that email address, to the inbox, and check for an email from the NNAS, okay? So I'll head over to that right now. Okay, so you see there's a link right here. So you want to select that link, copy, and open a new browser, enter. Okay, there we go. So we need to set up a new NNAS password. So first you must answer one of the security questions and then enter the security code in the email you received from NNAS, okay? So what was the name of your first school? That's mine, and then I'll put the name of my first school, and then I want to go back to that email and then select the security code here, okay? Head over to my NNAS account, paste, and then you want to create a new password. So your email address and password are used to identify and update your information and application in NNAS database. So be very careful about what you choose and make sure it's a password that you can remember. Okay, and it has to be 8 to 15 characters, a mix of letters and numbers, okay? So pick a password that you can remember. Hit submit. Perfect. So you have created your account. So you can now log in. You can log in with your updated login information and then put in your password that you just set. Okay, and then you want to log in. Perfect. And now you're ready to start a new application with the NNAS. We have come to the end of the tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. In my next video, I'll be doing a tutorial on how to actually complete your NNAS application. So if you're an internationally educated nurse, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram at the Nurse Resource, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.